Hey guys, it's me, Joel, aka Gallucks. That went really wrong. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you're already subscribed, but you don't get notifications, unsubscribe, resubscribe, and click the notification bell. Today's video is another sneaker unboxing. It's quite interesting because okay, it's Converse and JW Anderson. Let's wait for this siren. It's Converse and JW Anderson. Obviously, I've worn Converse before, but I've never had anything JW Anderson, mainly because, I don't know, in the past, I appreciate JW Anderson. There's a lot of designers out there that I appreciate, like Craig Green, Rick Owens, Yohji Yamamoto, but there's things that I know that I won't wear because they're not my style. So JW Anderson was, for a long time, one of those, where I appreciate what they do, I just don't want to wear their clothes. But these I want to wear. So there's been a few reiterations of the Converse classic Chuck Taylor high top. I've seen glittery pairs, I've seen different bold colored pairs, and last season we saw this kind of print over the Converse as well. I know because I got one of my best friends, Tom, the pair of JW Anderson Converse for his Christmas present, which he still hasn't worn, and it's now February. And again, those ones as well, I appreciate them, I love them, but I didn't want to wear them. But when I saw these, again on Essence, by the way, I'm not sponsored by Essence, but I would love to be sponsored by Essence, so hit a brother up. I just bought these myself. When I saw these on Essence, I didn't even know they were JW Anderson at first, and I was just like, oh, whoa, must buy. So, yeah, so I got them. And guess what, like they were in stock for days and for quite a while, and then when I sat down to do this video, none left, all gone, literally. And I can't find this pair on any other website, they're only on the Essence site. I'm sure they'll drop other places soon, so I'll try and update the video description box with places that sell these if possible. Ow. But for the time being, they are nowhere. They are gone. So feast your eyes on these babies. Oh, okay, so the JW Anderson White Converse Edition Run Star Hybrid sneakers. They're 145 pounds. Secondary pair of laces, which are weird because they seem really thin, and I don't want to use these, but these are the sneakers. Do you know how hard it is for me to not say ta-da when I bring them out of the box? So yeah, here they are. They are like your regular Converse, but they obviously have a huge, massive, chunky sole on them that has JW Anderson printed on the outside. Well, I say printed, it's more like engraved on the outside. And then you have these big track kind of soles. You have the gum one at the front and the blue one at the back. And the blue one at the back has a big black star on the back as well. They're just really clean, super minimal. Now, they remind me a bit of those Vivienne Westwood Rocking Horse shoes, the shoes that used to have like the big kind of Rocking Horse sole on the bottom, because these are like a massive, huge, chunky sole. I used to have some platform Converse from ASOS that were like not official Converse, but they were only like 40 quid. These are so much cooler because they have this kind of textured, spiky sole all the way around. They're not your Off-White. I know they're not your... Who else does Converse collabs? But they are cool and they look awesome, and I'm pretty sure with a lot of fits they're gonna look really, really sick, and they're gonna make me feel really tall too, which is even perfect because I'm super tall anyway, so now I'm gonna tower above everyone else like a giraffe. If you want a bit of a spiel off the website, because they still have the Essence product page but you can't buy them, it says high top canvas sneakers in white, round rubber toe tap in aigrette, off-white, aigrette. Tonal lace-up closure, bonded logo and eyelet vent to the inner side, webbing pull loop, heel collar, sculpted rubber platform midsole in aigrette, off-white running logo engraved at side. This goes on for a really long time. They're really, really good at writing a lot of crap about a white Converse shoe with a big ass sole. Yeah, so they were 145 pounds. I got them in the UK 9. They do feel a little bit roomy. Like I think I could have done a half size, but I don't think they did half sizes, so just stick with my regular size. So that was my JW Anderson Converse sneaker unboxing. I hope you've enjoyed this video and it's given you a bit more in-depth look at the product if you were trying to find it or find information about it before you bought it from somewhere shady like StockX. Joke, StockX isn't shady. I've never ordered from there, but is it like the black market of sneakers? I think so. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!